Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to extract the maximum and minimum value from a given set. So we have a result sheet here of 6 quizzes which are conducted for a class, and in front of every student there are 6 values mentioned. We need to find the maximum score of each and every student out of these 6 quizzes, as well as we have to find the minimum score obtained by that student. So here we have a formula in Excel is equal to max bracket open. You have to select the set from which you want to extract the maximum value, bracket close, enter. For repeating the same action for complete set using the fill handle, and you obtain the values. For the minimum score, the formula is equal to min bracket open, selecting the set, the 6 values. Here in our case, bracket close, enter. Using the fill handle for the complete set. As you can see in this complete set, 64 is the highest value and 34 is the minimum. That's what we have got as an output. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.